As a culinary medicine physician, these are the top 10 kitchen tools that I would buy again and again, and each one of them help you cook healthy meals with ease. Hi, I'm Dr. Priyal. I'm culinary medicine physician. I believe that when you enjoy delicious homemade meals made with real wholesome ingredients, you can easily reverse or prevent chronic illnesses like diabetes, high blood pressure, and heart disease. And with holidays coming up, I want to share some meaningful kitchen gifts that you can give yourself or to your loved ones. Gifts which are totally worth investment, can last for years, and make the healthy eating more easier and enjoyable. These are the tools I use every week to bring delicious, nourishing meal to my table. Number one is my grain meal. This is the gift that changed everything for me. Grinding my own fresh grains opened up the whole new world of nutrition, flavor, and recipe possibilities. Fresh meal flour has completely upgraded my pancakes, waffles, muffins, breads, pizza dough, tortillas, everything. Second one is Vitamix blender. Vitamix blender is amazing. I make soup, sauces, smoothies. We also grind dosa and idli batter in it. It's strong, it's versatile, and it's worth every penny. The third one is Cucinart food processor. A must-have for chopping veggies, grinding nuts, making nut butters, pie doughs, and certain cookie doughs. It saves so much time and effort. Fourth one is KitchenAid stand mixer and Ankarsrum Mixer. I've used KitchenAid stand mixer for many years to make cookie doughs, breads, cake batters, whipped cream, tortilla dough, and everything. And last year I upgraded to Ankarsrum Mixer. For bigger batches, and I love it equally. Both are excellent options depending on your need. Fifth one is Instant Pot. I have the mini one and the big 8-quart one. Total lifesaver. It cooks rice, quinoa, millets perfectly. Beans come out amazing. Soups are effortless. I've even made cheesecake in it. Set the time and walk away. It's magic. Number 6. Large cast iron pans. I recommend having a few different sizes, 8-inch, 10-inch, 12-inch, even the 14-inch, which is a large pan, great for pizza. They go from stovetop to oven. They last forever, and you don't have to worry about that non-stick coating peeling away. I also use a cast iron tortilla press. Number 7. Cucinart grill panini maker. It is quick, it makes delicious crispy sandwiches, it's very convenient. Number 8. Cucinart waffle maker. It makes delicious Belgian waffles. Such a fun breakfast tool that you can have. Number 9 is Cucinart ice cream maker. this machine makes the homemade ice cream possible in such a short amount of time with the ingredients which are preferable to you, the healthy ingredients that you want to use. You can make even a frozen yogurt treat. Number 10, brown immersion blender with mini food processor. I use it quite often to blend the smoothie, the soup, and even when I want to chop the veggies in small amount or grind nuts in small amount, I can use the small food processor attachment that comes with it. It's pretty convenient. So these are the top 10. I have many more other useful kitchen items that I use all the time, and they're totally worth the investment. If you like, I can add the list for those as well. For these particular 10 items that I discussed, I will link them down below if you want to check them out. Do let me know if you already own these, and what is your opinion on these items.